The protocol is a step-by-step description of the Eddy Covariance site setup and measurements performance from the scratch, which can be successfully applied in spatially limited ecosystems.
We believe the protocol makes it easier to realize that. However, strict requirements need to be met. Eddy Covariance technique can be satisfactorily applied also in non-ideal locations.
Once it is presented in a visual form, the protocol can be used as a first and relatively easy choice for non-specialists, forced or willing to use the Eddy Covariance technique.
To begin, on a height map, choose a measuring site location in relatively homogeneous and flat terrain to meet the basic requirements of the EC method. Select a location with no obstacles and ensure that the area to be investigated extends in each direction at least 100 times the height of the sensor to be placed. At the site, use an anemometer to investigate prevailing wind directions for 1 year, or analyze data from the nearest meteorological station. Decide which EC system to use. Open a path infrared gas analyzer with lower power consumption, or a closed-path infrared gas analyzer with a short intake tube if there are no limitations to power supply or if in harsh environments. At the site, place a tripod with a vertical pole to mount the EC system on top. Position the infrared gas analyzer and the 3D sonic anemometer close to each other. Place the sonic anemometer at a perfectly vertical position. Tilt the gas analyzer.